Alright guys, so here's my Coles flight mission turned into a map and a model. Just thought I'd show you guys what my drone capabilities are. This is a job I just did Sunday, then I put it through drone deploy. Did a job for drone up. This is a Coles in St. Joe. And you can see, you can check the plant health, which is really helpful for some agriculture, maybe even for some landscaping. You can check your elevation, which is kind of neat. We'll take that off. But check out this awesome little blue dot right here, which will take you to a panoramic that's made that'll really show off the area, which I think is a really awesome feature. You can see this land here is for sale. You got a Best Buy in this awesome little area up here. You can zoom in and really see what's going on in your surroundings. I had to watch out for this tower right here when I was doing this mission. Zoom back out. You can see the stitching wasn't really good on this panoramic of this Coles, but for the surrounding area, I mean, it did really well. But you can kind of really get the bigger the dot, and the surrounding areas. Really a cool feature with the drone deploy. And we'll come back to our. I just wanted to show you the detail on these inspections with the drone. So here's the rooftop. I just wanted to show you some of the things that we can look for is the damage on the roof, maybe hail or storm damage. And with the 20 megapixel camera, you can really get in here and see. Check all your ACs, check for damage, check for drainage issues. Not sure what's going on right here. Maybe they need some patching or something. But the pictures are just phenomenal. Also, this nadir shot looking directly down, you can kind of see maybe some trash over here. Or check your parking lot. We did find some damage on the outside, on the side of the buildings, but you can definitely zoom in and check your air conditioning units. You can check your dumpsters, make sure they're not, overpiled, make sure everybody's doing their jobs. It's really a helpful tool for preventative maintenance as well as just documenting the current state of your property or lack of damage and whatnot. Looks like we might have had some repairs here at one point or another. So it took me about an hour. It took me about 30 minutes to an hour, and it took about a day for drone deployed, about a half a day for them to put this together. And then I also wanted to show you this little model button here. You can click here in the center at the bottom of the page. And this is just a really neat feature. Puts together a 3D model. It's not necessarily to specs, but it could be. You could use software like this. Looks like we're in standard. I'm going to put it in high definition. You can see this makes this 3D model that's interactive. You can zoom in and out. It has these really pretty hydrangea bushes. You can see it was sunny. It was casting a shadow on the front of the building that particular day, on Sunday. But I really want to see what's going on with, some of these. You can see this damage on the side of the building, which we got better pictures of that up close. But it's real easy to just be able to navigate, move around. This is kind of sketchy. This isn't really an exact, model, a 3D representation, but it's definitely good enough for getting a rough idea of what's going on, and you can compare with yours and your Orthomosaics and get a really good representation of what you're working with. somewhat a pain in the neck to navigate, but I'm on my mouse, so that's a little bit different. I'm not sure how you get it back down to where you want it, or if you even can. There we go. I feel like it's off-centered here. Pretty cool stuff.